Hello, we are now to question number 15 out of Unit 1 in Geometry. Here we're told the shapes below are examples of equilateral triangles, which is something we'll be working a lot with, obviously, in geometry. How can you describe an equilateral triangle, examine them, and make at least two statements that seem true for all equilateral triangles? Well, I'll give you two statements that are true for all equilateral triangles. The first one is the angles have the same measure. And we can get more specific into that and say the angles have the same measure and that they're all 60 degrees. We haven't really talked about the sum of the angles in a triangle yet, so perhaps that number is a little bit arbitrary right now. But when we get into triangle sum theorem, we'll be able to examine why these are actually 60-degree angles. But for right now, in an equilateral triangle, know that all the angles are the same measure. All three of those angles are the same. Not only are all three angles the same, all three sides are the same length. And so we usually mark that with tick marks here. So these tick marks indicate that the corresponding sides are equal, they're the same. So that would be our notation to show that it's an equilateral triangle. We could also do the tick marks and the angles as well. It would be kind of redundant once we know it's an equilateral triangle. So there's two statements about equilateral triangles.